Hi guys, welcome back. I'm putting an impromptu video together. My family and I are getting ready to go to Disney World. If you watch my channel, you know we go to Disney a lot, but this was a totally spontaneous trip. We booked it last week and now we're leaving in a few days. We decided let's get one more summer trip in before Labor Day and fall busyness starts. So my daughter is 2 years and 8 months old, and this is the first time we're going where I feel like she's really understanding the concept of vacation and travel and that we're going somewhere, and she's really excited for this trip, so it's making me even more excited. We are taking my sister with us. She's 18, and so I'm gonna do a little thing for them. They're called Tinkerbell gifts. If you've never heard of this, the concept is little treats that you leave in the hotel, and Tinkerbell or maybe Mickey Mouse left them. A lot of moms use them kind of as incentive for good behavior or for not whining when you wait in lines. I've always wanted to do something like this, so I picked up a few things at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you what I got. So here's kind of my pile of collected stuff. The foundation is gonna be these loot bags. I got these at the Dollar Tree. There's, I think, 8 for $1. And they're like the goodie bags that you get for a birthday party, and I can fill up my bags. I got some like little pink filler that I'll put in. Then I got a selection of stuff. I got this little kit. I thought this was just perfect. Look at how many pieces you get for $1. So there's a notepad and 2 pencils, a sharpener, and eraser. I think I will open the package up and make it fit in the bag easy that way. And then I got these Winnie the Pooh cards. This was like in the education school area, and it's really cool because if you can see, it's like a matching game. You match the pictures together. She will love that. She loves card games. This came from Walmart. It's a stamp set, a little Minnie Mouse stamp set. She will absolutely love that. Again, I can open the package and break it up. This is also for Walmart. We're doing like a Toy Story heavy trip. We're going to Toy Story Land, and my daughter's totally into Toy Story right now. So it's like a push-up lollipop. I don't know. She will love this. Again, I can open this up. I got these at the Dollar Tree as well in the party supply section. They're like those balloons that you blow up, and there's a rubber band so you can like bop it around, and they've got the Disney princesses on them. 2 for $1. And then I got some of these crazy straws. I thought they were really cute. I got a frozen one and a Dory one. I'm gonna make a few bags for my sister as well, even though she's all grown up. I think my daughter will get a kick out of watching my sister open these bags too. So I got the Nemo one for my sister, and then her bags are gonna be just candies that she likes. She really doesn't need these little things. Obviously, this is just something fun, but I'm gonna throw this together and we're gonna see what we've got. So this worked out kind of perfect. These bags hold a lot more than I thought they would. I've got 6 little baggies here, 3 days, so a bag for each day. And I kind of just divided up my little treasures. If my daughter was older, I would probably add a little note like from Mickey or from one of the princesses. I think that would be really cute if your child was old enough to read. I'm gonna show you now how I'm gonna store these and keep it organized for the suitcase. All right, so I used these like gallon size freezer bags, and I put 3 goodie bags in each one, and I kind of pressed it down to get as much air out as possible. So this is gonna make it super easy to pack up now. And I divided the bags by girls, so it's gonna be easy to keep track of whose is who. I also picked up a few other Disney goodies at the Dollar Tree I wanted to share with you. I do busy bags for my daughter when I fly. I will link below. I've done a few thorough videos on how to entertain a toddler in flight, so I'm not going to do a whole video on it, but I got a few new items at the Dollar Tree. This I talk about all the time. This is great for travel. She can draw and then just erase what she drew, and like I said, we're really into Toy Story right now. That's like the main attraction of this trip, so I was really happy to find this. I'd never seen a Toy Story version at the Dollar Tree before, and she's just recently into Vampirina, and we're going to do Hollywood Studios and all the Disney Junior stuff. We're going to meet Vampirina and Fancy Nancy, so I thought this was cute. A little glow wand. And then some stickers. I love these 3D stickers. She's 2 and 8 months, so she's okay with stickers, but she needs help usually peeling them off. But with these 3D stickers, she can do them all by herself. So I got these really cute Toy Story ones, Fancy Nancy, and Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna put this all in her backpack for the plane ride. So I also wanted to show you some of the stuff I'm packing because it's a little different than usual. I'm doing like a lot of matching stuff this time. I hauled this, I think the last time I went to Disney World, I bought this dress, and my daughter's never worn it. It's a beautiful Tiana princess dress, and I got her the matching tiara. I've mentioned before, but Tiana is her favorite Disney princess, and I've got this adorable Tiana's Beignets t-shirt. It looks like the Krispy Kreme logo, but it says Tiana's Beignets. So I'm gonna wear these together. I might even wear a green skirt with this shirt, I don't know. And then we will definitely go and try and get our picture with Tiana. In fact, I have a Tiana purse I'm gonna wear with this. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so here is the purse. It's a Danielle Nicole purse. It's like a crossbody. I am obsessed with the Danielle Nicole Disney purses. I have a bunch of them. I will try to link all of this stuff I'm showing you below if I can find it. And then I said we're doing a lot of matching stuff. We normally don't, but we're all gonna do Toy Story outfits one day, and I got my daughter this adorable little green army men shirt at Uniqlo. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I love how it looks like paint splatters. And I got her this backpack. How cute is it? I got it at Primark for just $12. She loves Toy Story. That's why we're gonna match when we go to Toy Story Land. But this to me looks like those Loungefly backpacks. I think that's what they were mimicking, but of course at like a much lower price point. And then I made her this bow. I'm so in love with it. It's so cute. I just cut out green felt and then I glued on the eyes, and I put it on an alligator clip that I already had. I thought about doing a video tutorial on this because it was so simple. It would have taken 15 seconds to show you. So I'm really pleased with that. I had a t-shirt that I was gonna wear, a Pizza Planet t-shirt, but I pulled it out and realized my cats had eaten holes through it, so I need to go get a new one of those at Target. And then these are Primark finds as well. I love this Minnie Mouse hat. It's so cute with the bow and the ears. And then this headband is so darling. It's like pom-poms. It was $3.50. It's such a good deal. And then I got these t-shirts. I think we're gonna wear these on our first day, and mine says Mama Mouse, hers says Minnie Mouse. I got these on Etsy. I will link them below. That's kind of what I'm starting with, and it's time to pull out even more stuff now to pack. So that's kind of it for us here. I'm just organizing, doing a bunch of laundry. This was a really impromptu trip, so there's a lot of like little details too. I'm gonna link my Instagram below if you guys want to go over there and follow me. I'm gonna post a ton of photos from our trip. I cannot wait. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll do more of these like casual look what I'm up to videos. This was kind of easy and fun to film. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. I do videos every single week all about life, mommyhood, just making things a little easier. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.